Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble text in Blender. First, open Blender and delete the default cube. Then, add a new text object by pressing Shift-A and selecting Text. Go to the Object Data Properties tab, click Font, and choose an open source font that is thick and rounded. This provides a great base for our bubble effect. Now, let's give our text that puffy bubble shape. In the Object Data Properties under Geometry, increase the extrude value to about 0.1 meters. This adds depth. Next, increase the bevel depth to around 0.05 meters and set the segments to 8 or 10. This creates a wonderfully smooth, rounded edge, essential for the bubble look. For that realistic bubble appearance, we need a special material. Go to the shader editor and create a new material. Set the transmission to 100%, making it fully transparent. Reduce the roughness to 0 for a perfectly smooth surface. Increase the index of refraction, or IR, to 1.33, mimicking water or glass. Add a light source for better visibility. To finalize our bubble text, ensure your render engine is set to cycles for the best light refraction. Add a simple background plane and set up a 3-point lighting system for professional results. Adjust your camera to capture the text perfectly. Finally, go to the Render tab and click Render Image. You'll have beautiful, glossy bubble text ready to share.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.